Ready?
Yeah, go for it.
This my shit. Oh, tell her you're not my bitch. This my shit. Oh, tell her get off my dick. Itchy dash, nitro gas. Time is passing, quick. I just want tonight to last. Life go fast, it tick.
Good morning, guys. Welcome back to the channel. It's about 7 in the morning at the moment, and I am currently loading up everything that we need for today's event. Honestly, it's been a hot minute since I was actually able to drive this car at Autocross. Last time we've been to Autocross, this car still had the first engine in it. That was over a year ago. The car has actually been in pieces and has not been running, so we haven't been competing at all. Coming back into it, this is gonna be a real new different setup because the entire inside is gutted, which should keep the car in the same class. It's already in XP. And what the kicker here is that the car actually has no power steering. Now, this is something that I feel I'm gonna be battling all day. This power steering is tough, especially on Z's. Like, it's awful. It's real bad if you take the power steering out. If you guys are new to the channel and you're unfamiliar with this car, I have a bone stock engine, but it's full bolt-on and tuned with a limp mode tuning, 4-inch intake. Limp mode tuning also tuned the car. He has not tuned the car on this engine, so if something goes wrong, it's my fault. Not really set up that great for autocross or any road course because of the bash bar, but it's still fun to drive. Anyways, we're gonna run out of time soon, so we're gonna go ahead and leave. I will see you guys at autocross. Oh, that hurts me. It hurts.
If you got your car, this is what you can expect driving on the highway.
This is looking like the tightest turn so far. This is gonna be the toughest spot right here. The track is fairly simple, super easy, but it's got a lot of wide turns, and then right here at the end, it'd be really easy just to get carried away, go too fast, then not be able to make the turn. So it's something to keep in mind. And Cam Z06 and a ZR1. There's a ZR1 here. God damn it. So to start this out, we got every tire 32 PSI. So I expect it to rise up to probably 35 or 36. And from there, we'll let some air out and see what we can do. Oh, I'm excited. It's been a long time since I did this. I don't know who's going first either. I don't really want to go first though. I'm kind of a bitch. I'm going slow at first because I don't remember the course. I gotta learn it. Good? So how was that? That was all right? 36.2. Okay, that's not bad. That's not bad at all. That's way faster than I was expecting it to be. I thought I'd get like a 38 or 40. I actually understeered a little bit. It's rolling over just enough to where it's getting the edge of the tire. So tire pressure might be low enough already. Yeah, it jumped up about 2 or 3 pounds. With that tire pressure about 32 or 33 pounds, and we'll see what it does in the next 2 or 3 runs. 32 and 33 is really good competing time for today. Okay. So I'm gonna try and get it down about 2 or 3 more seconds.
Feeling good?
Yeah, actually I feel real good. I was taking it really slow the first time because I didn't want the steering to be an issue. I was scared I wouldn't be able to have enough strength to get the wheel to turn, but I can turn it more than I need to. That's more than enough. All right, we can go faster. What's up? I need to take my jacket off. I'm a little warm now. It's hot.
It's hot?
Yeah, it's hot.
How'd it go?
Going great so far. I just shaved off 3 seconds, so I'm gonna look at my tires and see if I can get a little bit more out of them. I'm gonna drop the rears down to about 30. The front end of the car is gripping pretty good though, surprisingly. I was not expecting to have to fight understeer, but understeer is actually it's manageable, but it is happening.
What's the point of that? See how much it leans?
You can see, can you see right here? The point of the chalk, the black part of the tire is where the contact is. Whenever you go through hard turns, if you have too much PSI, it'll only go down to here. But if you lower your tire pressure, it'll travel down the edge. But you don't want it to get, you don't want your tire pressure to get too low, because then your tire is going to get soft. So you can't get rid of that black spot, but you can get more paint on it, and it'll rub off the paint if it's touching.
Hi, how are to be do?
How you doing?
I've been kidnapped by the Ford crowd. Like 10 out of 10. Like if you haven't gone to your local autocross meet, go to your local autocross meet. This shit's fun.
With a 33.3.
33.3? Oh, I want to get in 32 so bad. I think that was my fastest one so far.
Is it 33.3?
Yeah, I think that's the best one. All right, let's look at these tires. Pretty perfect. That's pretty solid. Where's Rob? Oh yeah.
He's still in that car.
I'm doing all this with a blown transmission. I forgot.
Not dancing well enough as he DNF.
You might have
and sideways into the entire button.
Yeah, this thing's hauling a lot better than I thought it would.
I hate the silencer though.
Yeah, me too.
Dare I say I missed the actual PQ sounds.
Yeah,
Wait,
this
no
car.
power steering?
Nope.
Oh, you're a gangster, man.
No power steering. It's been awesome. I love it with no power steering.
Really?
It's great. I can actually feel the road. It's amazing.
That's awesome. I'm excited to feel this run.
Ready?
Yeah, go for it.
Daniel in the sitting on sideways car. I'm not sure if that car is that loud or if he's in first gear, but it sure sounds like it's strung out.
Damn, that was a good run.
Nah, that one was bad. I lost the tires.
Lost a little bit of traction, yeah.
Yeah, I got a little bit too aggressive with it. I got sloppy.
That's why I like this as opposed to just going the drag strip though, because like it's driving.
Yeah.
Nope, no you didn't. 33.7, son.
Really? Oh shit. Yeah, that was a really sloppy run compared to the previous one.
Yeah, I heard Andrew say you ran like a 33.1.
If I would have ran it with that aggressiveness, but the control of the previous one, it probably would have been like a 32.
Yeah, I think so too.
I'm gonna check my tire pressure. I might air the tires up a little bit. They might have got too low.
How do I open this door now?
The purple handle in front of you?
This pulls out.
Yep.
Look at these door cards.
Yeah, no, I was looking at that. I was like, that's
so cool.
I got music playing.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, there's music playing in the helmet. Listening to music while I drive is like my way of staying calm. You haven't ridden in this car yet, have you?
I haven't ridden in a race car, dude.
Oh yeah, you've never even been in a fast car, period.
No.
I forgot about that. Here we go. Yeah, tires aren't warm yet. The tires are still cold. The tires were definitely cold at the beginning of that. They're probably warm now, but yeah, they were definitely cold. It's all right. We'll make adjustments.
Yeah. How was that though?
Dude.
Yeah. Even at 35, it's like, whoa, that's fast.
I've never been in a race car before, so that was an experience.
Yeah, take your car like as is and see where it's lacking, whether it's sway bar or tires or brakes. And then from that point, you can save up for something to do next to it.
Damn. Yeah, now I'm definitely doing this. This looks like a lot of fun.
Hopefully this one's a little better. That's the fastest one. That's got to be a 32. If that's not a 32, I don't know what to do to get in 32, because that was max effort right there. God, 33.1. Shit.
Dang.
Oh, that was a good one. I just don't have enough grip.
Let's see if he can finish it up and get his fastest time of the day.
All right, I got a 1/10 of a second, and then I'm in 32s.
14. Another half-second improvement. Daniel starting to get it down.
Getting the hang of it. God, I hope that was a 32.
Yay!
Yes, 32.7. Yeah. Yeah.
That's what I'm talking about, Danny.
Fastest one. Yeah. All right, I want some air. I'm hot again.
32.7, is that what I heard?
Yep.
That looked fast.
I want to get in the 32s, and I got it.
Yeah, that makes you one of the fastest cars out here, huh? Or in the faster bracket.
One of them. The car's still not going to place that well though because of the class I'm in.
Yeah.
So like it'll still be considered one of the slower cars, or I'll be one of the slower drivers on paper. But I'm happy. Last one. Here we go. I feel like that was definitely one of the slower ones. That was probably like a 34. No, 33 too. Okay.